In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable sensitive content on Instagram. This allows users to access a broader range of posts, including those with artistic, educational, or thought-provoking themes that may otherwise be restricted. To turn on Instagram-sensitive content, head to Instagram. You want to tap onto these three lines. On your settings page, navigate into the section of what you see. Select Suggested Content. You want to head to Sensitive Content. Now to cut off sensitive content limitation, mark on More and click on Confirm to save changes. By doing this, it ensures you don't miss meaningful or inspiring content that aligns with your interests and values. Well, that's how easy it is to turn on sensitive content on Instagram. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.